Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends.
A college professor was giving a lecture when he saw two students talking to each other. "No talking while I'm talking, young man." "I was just asking her a question," the student replied. "Any question you have for her, you can direct to me," the professor said. "Okay," the student nodded. "Will you go out with me Saturday night?" A funeral service is being held for a woman who has just passed away. At the end of the service, the pallbearers are carrying the casket out when they accidentally bump into a wall, jarring the casket. They hear a faint moan. They open the casket to find that the woman is actually alive. She lives for 10 more years and then dies. A ceremony is again held at the same church, and at the end of the ceremony, the pallbearers are again carrying out the casket. As they are walking, the husband cries out,